In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test a FlutterFlow app on Android. If you want to quickly see how your app behaves on a real Android device without going through a full App Store build, FlutterFlow gives you a very simple testing option. This is useful for checking layout, navigation, responsiveness, and overall user experience directly on your phone. To begin, open your project inside the FlutterFlow builder. Once you're in the builder interface, look to the upper right corner of the screen. There, you'll find the test button, which is represented by a Thunderbolt icon. Go ahead and click that button to start the test preview. At this stage, FlutterFlow will begin building the web preview of your app. Depending on your project size and internet speed, this may take a few moments, so give it a little time to finish loading. The important thing here is to wait until the preview is fully ready before moving on. If you try to continue too early, the testing options may not appear correctly. Once the web preview has finished building, look at the test mode toolbar. In that toolbar, click the QR code icon. This will generate a QR code that links directly to your app's test version, making it easy to open on your Android device without manually typing a long URL. Now take your Android phone and open the camera app. Point it at the QR code on your screen and let the camera recognize the code. When the link appears, tap it to launch the app instantly in your mobile browser. This allows you to interact with the app on your phone right away and start testing how it looks and feels in a mobile environment. As you test, pay attention to things like button spacing, text readability, page transitions, and whether the app responds the way you expect on a touchscreen. Since this opens in the browser, it's a fast and convenient way to validate your design and basic functionality before moving on to deeper testing or deployment. If the QR code doesn't scan immediately, make sure your phone camera is in focus and that your screen brightness is high enough for the code to be read clearly. You can also hold the phone a little farther back and then move it closer until the camera locks onto the code. And that's it. That's the quickest way to test your FlutterFlow app on Android using the built-in test mode and QR code preview.